RFIDHY Technology, founded in 2007, the headquarters located in Shanghai, China, which is a trusted and specialized RFID products manufacturer. Our own subsidiary, Shenzhen Huayuan Smart Technologies Company Limited, have been certificated by ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 14001-2015 certificate. Our own subsidiary, Shenzhen Huayuan Smart Technologies Company Limited, located in Shenzhen, Guangzhou Province. We have 2 modernized production lines. Our monthly volume is more than 10 million laminated RFID cards. Now our mainly products cover RFID card, RFID tag, RFID key fob, RFID label, RFID wristband, which mainly used to access control, identification, assets management, supply chain management, transportation, e-payment, e-government. Our success in overseas market. Now, our products and devices service to our partners and clients over hundreds of countries and areas around the world, which help our partners and clients win the markets and valued customers in local. Today, RFIDHY has established better and strategic partnership with branded partners and clients in RFID industry. Welcome to RFIDHY World and build win-win operation.